Mr. King, Mr. King, coming live. If you want to see me, come in the hills. If you ain't want the hills, you better stay strapped, Max. These niggas ain't playing with no chopper. They running up right on you. I looking for a biscuit. I sure if you all notice it. I get cash, I get the guns. And I love my God. These niggas who rapping ain't making no sense.
They scared of Shiesty.
Fonte is a sissy. He's scared of Shiesty. These niggas fan everybody. These niggas running around acting so hard. And they barely get about to go here. I bet you if the man run up on them, everybody get up, break up running. I know they listening to this, but right now speaking my mind. If you ain't get no job, go find a job. Cause I sure you're getting one new one. But we don't trust y'all girls. Y'all might be scheming. Cause he making that my money. Coming live, coming live. R.I.P. to my little Snoop. They killed my cousin. You know I retaliating. Bought a pink tea from in Nassau Village. They shoot him in his leg. I come in back strong. Ain't nobody can stop me. And I stay flash and crash. I get paid 500 a day. Never shot me your money. I sure if y'all had it. I know a girl. She's my best friend. Her name is Tia. Tia Morris. I singing this just for you. And the life, the way I feel, I shouldn't leave you like how I do you. Fuck the lay. Sorry for y'all. I know. But if you watching this, don't play around me. If you play around us, and then you gotta get the shit split. But I don't want to do that. I love my God. These trees ain't making no sense. If I had a gun, I would start shooting. But holding down.